Living in a prime area is not just about location. It's about convenience, comfort, and the quality of life you get to enjoy on a daily basis. This is the reason why Chado stands out. If you're thinking of settling or investing, let me tell you, this is where smart people are choosing. Chado is not just convenient, it's the future. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to the platform. My name is Forever Adjoa Adi, and today it brings me so much joy to present to you a piece of Chado East Airport. We're going to be touring this 5-bedroom, newly built property at the heart of Chado. Before we get into anything, I would like to talk about convenience, because anytime I present anything to you guys, you're talking about, okay, how sustainable is it? How much can I enjoy life right from this point? What is the convenience? So this is a property right by the roadside. The main Chado road is just by it. You can get to the Chado roundabout in about a minute, get to Palace Mall in about 5 minutes, Accra Mall 7 minutes, the Kotoka International Airport in 10 minutes. How great is that? And if we talk about the Chado or the Ladade-Kotopa municipality, this is a place that is absolutely thriving. The president of Ghana lives here. You have a lot of politicians, high dignitary people living in this area. So it's been up for a while. I'd call it the hot cake of the season, right? The diamond of the season. If you're not looking to be in the East Legon Hills, the Jinganos, the Cantonments, and you want a settlement that is, completely amazing and has everything to, tailor to your lifestyle, then I would recommend Chado. So back to the property. If you come in right from the entry point, we have this beautiful automated gate. You open it, drive in. This is the parking area. It takes, about 5 cars just from this point. Now, what I really love is the thoughtfulness of the developer, because we're all talking about how Accra has become such a concrete jungle and how developers are not, exploring and putting in more greenery to make living in properties, eco-friendly and sustainable. So if we look around, I see some fair level of greenery that I love. It basically adds to the ambience of the entire property, gives it some very lovely aesthetics. So on this front, you have some plants and you have some stones laid on the base. If we come this way as well, we have this section of the entryway designated for some plants, and there's even more at the back that I would love for us to check out, so come along. Exterior, we have more greenery. We have some grass with some laid down walking path, and then these are the outlets for the air condition. Right here, there's even more greenery, and then you can treat this area as a seating for the spaces downstairs. So you can have some chairs here. The breeze is so lovely on any given day, and just enjoy the exterior of the property. I really love the greens in here. So now let's get back and then look at the materials that were used for the exterior. So the entire exterior is coated in graffiato. Very white. They like to keep it minimal and very attractive. That's nice. When I look up, we have the entire app area, with wooden panels, and we have some spotlights in there to keep the place very bright in the evening. So Right here, there's a sliding door that leads to the living area. And we also have this very heavy security door at this side. So you have multiple entry into the property. At times where you just want to come outside, imagine you have some seating here. You can just hop out and enjoy some time here without using the main entry to the property. So now let's go ahead and check out the interior. So as soon as you get inside the property to my left, this is where we have the visitors or the guest washroom. Very beautiful, very simple. This is the standard setup. We have the cabinet sink area and the WC area. I really love the backdrop that they have on one section of the washroom. It gives it some luxurious, aesthetic. And then coming this way, we have our living area. Very spacious. I love it. The windows are quite down, so you're dealing with a very enclosed space, but at the same time functionality works because the space is amazing. This wall is designated for your TV activities, entertainment section. So this is where you're gonna have that setup. And on the ceiling, we have some LED lights running all the way through. And then if I come to this far end, we have a pendant lamp that drops all the way from the ceiling to the mid area of the space. Really amazing. Because the space is relatively sizable, we have 2 air conditions in the living area to keep it, very cozy at any given day, because you know how hot the capital can be. It's amazing. We also have some windows, and just as we had a sliding door at the entry point, we have another one on the side that is at the back section to aid you to exit the living area at any time. Now, currently, it's an open concept, but it was designed in a way that if you purchase the property and you would like to enclose this area and keep the kitchen separate from the living area, then you can do so, right? So this is our kitchen, very modern, very standard. We're dealing with very calm brown tones in here, nothing crazy, pleasing to the eye. So this whole section is covered with cabinets with, wooden, wooden finishes. It's amazing. A lot of space for you to deal with, to keep your culinary tools, all your kitchen utensils, everything in here. We have a tabletop burner, 4 burner right here beneath that area as well. That is more space, more cabinets for you to enjoy. This is the sink area, and then we have an oven, microwave. This is the refrigerator. I love it, nicely tucked away. And we have an air condition in the kitchen. So just in case you decide to keep the space enclosed, it can be cool at any time while you prepare your lovely, amazing dishes. We also have a sizable window on this side of the wall. So let's go ahead and check out the first bedroom that we have downstairs. Come with me. I didn't say it in the beginning, all bedrooms in this property are en suite, right? So this is the space you're dealing with. You have a door that leads to the backyard of the property. There is a window right here. And if I come to this section, this is where we have the washroom. This is the bathroom area, very beautiful. We're still dealing with the same brown tones. We have a sink area with an LED mirror. This is the shower area. It's closed out. I love that. And then we have a WC. I love the windows in this property, guys. I've said it a million times that if you live in a property and the window in your bathroom is tiny, you're setting yourself up for failure and destruction. So plus 100 points for me, all right? Now, let's check out the other spaces. This is the last space to check out for the downstairs area. So here we have the laundry and you have a storage space. very, very sizable. You can keep cooking materials, cleaning materials, everything that you think don't want to be out in the open, you can just tuck them away neatly in this section. So finally, let's go upstairs. Come on. Once you make your way up the stairs, immediately you get up, you're greeted by the family area, or as some people love to term it, the second living area, right? The stairs have some amazing railing, which I love, so this property is very family friendly. Now, let's check out the first bedroom upstairs. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the space. It's kind of similar to what we saw downstairs, just slightly bigger. So we have some windows here, and this area is where we have the balcony. It's very slim but elongated, so you can have some seating here and enjoy this part of Chado. Love that. Now this is the bathroom. I love the sink. It's amazing. You have the same LED mirror on the top. There's another window on this section, WC area and shower area. That's about it. Let's see bedroom number 2 upstairs. We have 3 doors. This is for the master, and then these 2 are the other bedrooms. I actually want to check these out first, so let's enter here. This is one of our beautiful bedrooms. This side is actually twin connected to the bedroom that we just saw, so they share the same balcony. So this is the elongated balcony area that I just spoke about. So you can have this section for that bedroom and then this section for this bedroom, or you can just leave it as an open space. I really love it. It's quite calm and the scenery here is beautiful. All right, this is the bathroom. We're dealing with the same stuff. LED light, sink area, washroom, and WC area. Perfect. Now, on to the next. This side is slightly bigger than the one that we just saw. It's amazing, really. Also has the same balcony section with the other 2 rooms. And there's a window here. This is the washroom area. Slightly different from the other one. This is actually bigger, right? And we have the base different from the ones we've seen thus far, but LED, WC area, shower area. Now, finally, we get to see the primary or the master. Come in. This is the master bedroom, guys. This is the primary area. I love it so much. The space is huge. Functionality is amazing. So there's a window tucked on the side, and you have a huge sliding door on the side that leads you to the front balcony area for the master. So it's very wide, and it's actually connected to the family area or the second living area that we saw initially, right? And this is the main Chado street that I spoke of. It's not greatly busy, so you can live here and enjoy the peace. It's really amazing. Now, let's check out the washroom. We actually have a bathtub in this washroom, and this is the sink area. We're dealing with a his and hers concept. So, like I said, greatly ideal for families. This is the shower area that has a floor-to-ceiling window, and this is the WC area. It's amazing, really. Like, this space is truly incredible. We only have one space to check out, and that is the rooftop open space. You can call it a lounge, a recreation area, whatever befits you. So come with me, let's check out the last and final floor. Come on. Welcome to the rooftop space. This is simply amazing, right? As soon as you get out here, it feels like you are outside, but you're still inside, and that's the best part of it. When I look up, we have these wooden panels from one end to the other, and it's enclosed, right? So on days that it's raining, you can still access this place. Sit here, do whatever is on your heart. There are two doors here. One is actually a storeroom and the other is a bathroom, right? So you can even treat this entire side as a room on its own, right? Because you can sit here, do whatever you want. If you need to use the washroom, you don't need to go downstairs. You can just access it and you can keep whatever stuff you wish here. Most properties that I've toured, some people love to use spaces like this as a kitchenette, right? So on days you're having friends over, family sessions, you can have some barbecue, music, lounge area. It works either ways, right? So it's multi-purpose, and I just love the fact that it serves and fits every purpose of the homeowner. There's a final door right here, and then when you come here, so this is another open section, right? You have most of the outlets for the air condition at the second level right here, and you have the central water heater here as well, and there's another tank for continuous water flow. So guys, this is the space. I love it. If you've made it this far, I would assume you're actually interested, right? So you want to hear about the pricing. Let's talk about it. This 5-bedroom all-ensuite property located at Chado, East Airport, perfectly placed for your convenience, is currently on the market for $850,000, right? That is the market price, but the good part is it's negotiable, and I'm here to do the negotiations on your behalf. So if you have any interest in this property, if you'd like to put in an offer, if you'd like to talk about some specifics, or just, come in here and enjoy a perfect life, then hit me up. You can reach out to me on Instagram or my other socials, or send me an email via workwithajwa@gmail.com, or hit me up on WhatsApp 054-1673-070. Your interest is at the core of my heart. So come in, let's help you return home and build a life in the motherland Ghana, and especially in the capital. Guys, this has been amazing. I've enjoyed this thoroughly, and do know that there's more on the way. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, if there are certain areas I didn't touch about that you'd want to engage me in, just leave them down there in the comments section. I'm looking, I'm reading, I'm replying. So I'm gonna head out now, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. For now, it's peace out.